Let's create one more tutorial in SolidWorks. In this video you'll learn to use Revolve, Fillet, Shell, and Extrude cut. So open the SolidWorks and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint in the center of this body, okay? And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line and this one, the both lines with 50 millimeters of length, and the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. So open the SolidWorks and go to Sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here and another one here, and select this line, hold the Ctrl in the keyboard and select this one, and select equal and press OK, and go to Smart Dimensions. The length here 50 millimeters, and the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. Okay, and now we'll create a line here with 75 millimeters and create this line here with 25 millimeters. So select the line again, click here in this point, make a line here and make another line here, go to Smart Dimension, the distance here is 75 and the length here 25 millimeters. Okay, and now select the line again. We will close this profile, so click here in this point, make a line here, a horizontal line, and make a vertical line here. Okay, we made this one. Now go to Features and select Revolve the Boss Base and the axis of revolution. Select the center line and press OK. We made this part here. Okay. And now we will make the fillet. So we have a fillet here with 10 millimeters of radius. So go to Fillet, select this edge here, this edge and this one. The fillet here is 10 millimeters of radius and press OK. And now we will shell this body. And the thickness of this body is 5 millimeters. So go to Shell and select the face that we want to remove. Select the top face here. And the thickness here is 5 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now we will make this cut. We have a cut here. This cut has 10 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this circle here and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. Okay. It is this cut here. So here, go to create a sketch, show the planes here, select the right plane, and select the circle. Make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. And select the center of the circle, hold the Ctrl in the keyboard, select the midpoint. Make sure that this is a vertical constraint. And now go to Features and select Extrude Cut. And the direction here, select it through all both to make a cut in the both sides and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.